This is Jimmy from ITSUPPORT. This time, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft 365 apps on a computer. This is going to be a little bit different than the regular installation. We're going to do it using the Office deployment tool, which is we executed some commands and to start the installation. So first of all, we locate the user and the type of license he has assigned. In this case, we go to the admin center and we check the user, and then we go to apps. It's listed here. You can see all the app listed, and the one that it's related to the Office apps is the Microsoft 365 apps for business. Knowing this, we proceed to create an XML file. It's going to tell the installer what to install and how to install it. Okay, we go to this page first, and then we select the type of installation we want. We're going to do pretty much by default, but we need to select the Microsoft 365 apps for business. Once we select this is the update channel. This is pretty much how you want to install the updates that are being delivered. Then we select the language, which is going to be English, and then pretty much we're going to continue with the default settings on this. One, this is done. We export the XML file. We keep the current settings. I'm going to save in a previously created folder named Office Deployment Tool, and then we go and download the actual tool. So this is you can see here the address. We downloaded the same folder. We go back to the folder here. We install it. We accept terms. We select the folder, and you see here two files. We're not going to use this one. We're going to use the one we previously created, and this is the installer, so I'm gonna get rid of it because I don't need it anymore. So now what we do is we go to command prompt, we go to this directory, then cd office deployment tool. Now we run this command setup. We're gonna execute the setup.exe, and then we're going to tell to download all the files for the installation, and we reference the configuration XML file. It's going to start with the process. Once you can see here that it starts a download of the Office. These are all the files will be installation files. Once this is done, we go here and run the same command, but instead of the download parameter, we choose configure. Then hit enter, and then you will see the pop-up from Office, and then the installation will continue. Once done, you can go ahead and check the Office installation files, and then you can sign in, and then the apps will be activated. Thank you very much.